morning! Pupunta nga tayo ngayon sa sa market, sa wet market nila dito. Actually, this is my second time na pumunta doon. Natin mamaya pag pwede akong mag-video doon kasi ang hirap kasi mag-video dito minsan pag daming tao. Samahan niyo ako guys, samahan niyo kami. Guys, pasok na tayo sa magte-train kami. Ako ng ticket guys. Naubos na pala yung ticket ko. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung metro station sa Evangelist Musgay. Malapit sa amin. Ayan. Pasok na tayo dito. Ayan si Dobby natulog. Matulog. Ayan. Dumating na ang train. Ayan si Dobby. Dito na sa train. Sakay na kami. Papasok na kami sa train, guys. Yan guys, daming vandalism dito. Ay nako. So, tingnan nyo guys. Small street dito. Ayan. Ito na. Punta na tayo sa wet market. Mas mura. Ayan. Oh, 6 lang ito. Pag sa Laiki ang mahal, ito. Ala? Yeah. Ayan, lupus. Daming lupus. Pang sabaw. Lupus. Daming squid. Oh, the fish. Hirapan ako. Ay, dami talaga guys. Ayan, dami. Hindi ko alam ano ito. Hindi mo bilang. Pag fresh ito. Grabe yung octopus o ang laki. Lukon. Wow, bihod. Ay, naku, ang daming pipilian. Okay. Ayan guys, tapos na ako bumili ito oh. Nagbili na ako ng shrimp at saka squid ng banana. Pupunta tayo dito guys sa Dosa House, South Indian and North Indian cuisine. It's very nice. Ang ganda ng design ng mga table nila guys. It's okay na, we'll eat here. Guys. God and this. Daming pagpipilian guys. There's so many choices. Ayan. May dosa, ayaw ko to.
I want one masala dosa.
Masala dosa. Oh, they have tandoori. Let me. Ayan, may vegetarian din. With chicken. They accept. Indian street food. Ayan, Indian souvlaki. Ayan guys, magpili muna ako ha. Guys, yung plate nila. At saka ito yung dosa. Oh, ang haba guys. Try natin to yung dosa nila dito if masarap. Ito yung mga sauce sambar. How about this? Let me. Chutney. And this chutney also. Ito sambar nila guys.
Sambar, tomato chutney, sour chutney.
Okay. Sambar chutney. Ito chutney. Ito na guys, yung dosa. Yan. May potato sa loob. There's a potato inside. Yan. Yummy. Ito yung, this is the butter chicken. And this is butter naan. Kain tayo guys. Kain. Let's eat. Try natin yung dosa guys. Dosa. Sarap. Yummy guys. Butter naan. Very good. Ang sarap ng butter naan. And the butter chicken. Yan. My love, this is much better. Hot guys. There is ghee. Ghee.
You always complain I didn't treat you something different.
Nag-complain daw ako. Hindi niya ako tinitreat ng masarap. Sarap. Let me try that one, my love. What is this? Ah, sambar. Sambar, guys. Okay. My love, sometimes I will make like this. It's nice. Sarap pala to. Last time, kumain ako sa Delhi. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung dosa nila. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero iba yung lasa. Kasi that time, buntis kasi ako. I remember, that time I was pregnant. So that's why. Maybe I don't like the taste. No, I like it. One more. I can't finish, yeah?
Then put it back.
Because I want to eat this. Ayoko kasi daming potato, guys. You eat with more potato. This one. Kinamay ko lang guys kasi yung mga Indian food talaga masarap sa pagkamay yung ginagamit mo. Kumain ka kasi kamay naman, kasi roti yung kinakain namin. Kamay ka talaga. Sarap talaga guys. Butter chicken. Sarap. Like I want to eat rice. Rice.
Chicken rice.
You want?
No, no.
Half price only. Let me finish this first. Then let me. Parang gusto ko mag-rice guys kasi yung butter chicken masarap sa pag sa rice siya. Yan. Sarap. Sarap.
You want?
Wait, let me finish this. If I'm not full, then we would. Naku guys, parang isang kaanak ko hindi kumakain ng Indian food. Kakagagaling lang namin sa India last December. Pero parang gusto ko, alam mo, kahit marunong ka magluto, pero parang gusto mo talaga yung ano ba, authentic na parang gusto ko rice talaga. I think I want rice. But too much maybe they will serve. I cannot finish.
This one is steamed rice.
Huh?
Steamed rice.
Yeah. Sarap guys. Crispy. Crispy.
Excuse me. Can we have one steamed rice?
Cold rice.
Yeah.
Order ko steam rice guys. Masarap kasi yung butter sa. Wow. Butter chicken. Ano? Last time you bring one food from Omonia. From where is that? What shop is that? Oh, there, Milan, I think.
So one rice, then I'll freeze it.
Okay. I let you too. Do you think you can ask them? No, only one time they will do it. Masarap yung sambar masala nila. Order kami rice. Gusto ko kumain ng rice mo. Nabusog naman ako pero parang gusto ko taga rice. We will cook the chicken tonight. Where do you want the chicken?
Your house, your house.
Hintay ako ng rice guys. Hindi ako nabusog. hindi ko kasi masyado gusto yung dosa. Although masarap naman siya pero you know, iba talaga pag nagra-rice tayo kasi lunch time. Nag-late lunch kami ngayon. Ano na ba oras to ngayon? Ay, 3 PM na guys. Late lunch talaga. Ayan, si Dorvin tulog. Hindi kumakain. Ayan. Hindi siya makakain kasi tulog siya. Thank you. Oh, too much. Oh. Ay, full malam.